to JoJo B. Sing, dance, and learn colors, numbers, ABCs, and more. Buzz into a world of fun where rhymes and giggles never stop. Let's sing and play. JoJo B.
Come along and sing with me the ABCs from A to Z. A is for apple, red and sweet. Clap your hands and tap your feet. B is for ball, roll it around, bounce it high up from the ground. C is for cat, soft and small. Hear it purr and hear it call. D is for dog, running fast. Wag your tail and bark at last. E is for elephant, big and strong. Swing your trunk all day long. F is for fish, swimming free. Splash around so happily. G is for goat, climbing high, munching leaves up to the sky. H is for hen, pecking grain. Cluck, cluck, cluck across the lane. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, a tasty treat we love to eat. J is for jump up so high, reach the clouds up in the sky. K is for kite, flying bright, colors dancing in the light. L is for lion, brave and loud, here is roar so strong and proud. M is for monkey, swinging free, happy monkey in the tree. N is for nest, soft and round, baby birds make chirping sound. O is for orange, juicy, bright, tasty fruit that feels just right. P is for piano, play a tune, ding ding dong, all afternoon. Q is for queen, kind and fair, wearing jewels up in her hair. R is for rabbit, hopping fast, through the meadow, quick at last. S is for sun, shining bright, lighting up the world with light. T is for train, chugging past, here it goes so very fast. U is for island, sweet and clear, music lovely to the ear. U is for island, sweet and clear, music lovely to the ear. W is for whale, swimming slow, spouting water as they go. X is for zebra in rainbow sound, colors dancing all around. Y is for yo-yo, up and down, spinning quickly round and round. Z is for zebra, black and white, running fast with stripes so bright.
Buzz through color, jump and play. Sing and laugh the JoJo way. Learning fun is here to stay. JoJo B.